I think the manufacturing industry will be transformed. I mean, I'm not visionary saying that. I think the big hubs of manufacturing, like we've seen in the 90s, and everything goes to low-cost countries, is gone. I think the trend more is creating flexible units, manageable size manufacturing units that are close to the customer or to the end markets, all together with the supply chain. So automation is a big portion of it. So data collection, AI simulation, digital twins will be very important to simulate not only throughput and capacity and so on, but also the geopolitics. Yeah, because that will play a huge role, I think, in how we are shaping the supply chain in the coming years. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, so I think the decision making will be it's more complex. Digitalization and AI will play a big role actually in the coming years on supporting those decisions by predicting or at least de-risking some of the factors that we cannot control. Huh?